Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I did one video before this. There's my mom saying swears. So I thought that was very inappropriate. So that's why I deleted that video and now I'm making a new. So now my mom trapped me in my room. Where I make my gaming videos. My desk, very messy. Sorry. Sorry about this. Alright, now then I'll just tweet. I guess I'll just tweet up something I made. Show you something. Hello. Yeah. As you can see, this is a man riding a bike. And then you attach it. Look what the bike becomes. Look. A modern vehicle. Ah, sorry. I really gotta clean up my office space. Ah! Come on! Yeah, sorry about that. Anyways. Ah, dang it, what happened? This thing is square. Ah! I'll be right back, I gotta pee. Sorry everybody, I'm back. So anyways, this is what I made out of Lego. Ah, dang it. If you have a brother, you're lucky. You're like so lucky. My sisters, one is annoying, if you did see my last video. You could, I did upload it, oh yeah. But one of them is like pretty cool and just like relaxes if she's in her spot. And the other one is like goes crazy over stuff. I said, if I uploaded my last one, you will hear swears from my mom. But I didn't because I thought that was very inappropriate, like in the start of my video I said. So anyways, one's cool and if she's in a special spot and if she's sick, but she is right now. And one just goes crazy over everything. As you can see, this is its pack for when it goes into battle. You know how back in the olden days, like back in the Dark Knight days, there was a powerful. They used horses and swords, but now if they could use motorcycles in these days, or something like this. And look at this. And you just attach it to a bike because bikes are way better than horses. Everybody knows that. Here's what it looks like with its guys. Ah, not again. Anyway, so it would look pretty cool if it went into battle. So, anyways. I wish I had my charger. Dang it. Well, I guess this is the end of this video. This is the end of this video. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.